Hey guys, it's been a minute, but I'm back and today we're going to be trying Filipino snacks and I'm here with a guest, my beautiful niece Anniya. So yeah, she's going to be tortured today trying all these snacks. So if you're interested in seeing us and our reaction to all of this stuff, then keep on watching. So first we have these shuffles, tomato flavored. They're like Pringles, I'm assuming. I don't fucking know. So, it just smells like vinegar.
Oh. Tastes like ketchup.
It just tastes like Pringles.
With ketchup.
I don't taste the tomato. Next, boy bawang. So these are like the Filipino version of cornets. Your breath is gonna smell so good. And these are adobo flavored. So adobo is like a special, a common dish in the Philippines. Let me just try one.
It's okay. It doesn't taste like adobo though. It tastes like chicken.
Chicken adobo. She don't want no more. She says I'm good. Cracklins, salt and vinegar. I've had these before, but a really long time ago. These are actually like my dad's favorite, and they smell heck vinaigrette.
It like burns your throat.
I remember not loving, but
It's really sour. I don't like it.
okay. Let's just keep trucking here. We got so much snacks. Do you want to try something sweet?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what the heck these are, but they're pillows. Ubi-filled crackers. And just so you guys know, we are Filipino. Like, her dad is Filipino, and her mom's part, and my mom is full Filipino.
I don't know. I don't taste anything.
It tastes kind of like cereal with like creamy stuff in the middle. It's ube. I like
It's
ube.
good.
So that's good. That was cool. Pillows. Choco nut. I have no idea what this is. I've seen it on another video though for Filipino snacks. I probably should have opened this before and
There's stuff stuck in my braces.
mine too.
Peanut milk. Oh, I just broke it, I think, or something. Oh. It's like broken a lot.
Oh, it's probably like De La Rosa.
Oh, yeah. That's what it tastes like. It's good.
That's good. It's like that Mexican candy De La Rosa, that like peanut butter, like powdery. I don't know how to explain it. That's good. I like that.
Something gross.
Oh. Fried posset, which is squid. Fried squid. Squid, chili, sugar, and palm oil.
I don't want to smell. Oh.
I like squid, but it just fucking stinks. Like, bad. Get all up in there. It's like a nugget of steak.
It smells like the small fried little fish. It's gross.
Yeah, like, I like squid, but that's a little
But
bit.
not that one. That one's gross.
Ooh, that's a little strong even for me. We'll go ahead and put that one to the side.
Ooh.
Speaking of the little fish, little fried anchovies.
It's like
They're
that.
called dilis, or I think that's how you say it.
Is it different? Oh no, it's not that one.
see if I could get a good one with like the eyes.
I can't bite it.
I like it.
I don't think I can finish it.
Dude, my breath.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, let's try a drink.
Okay.
Calamansi juice. So calamansi is a citrus. It's popular in the Philippines. You put it in a lot of foods. It's really sour and it's like really, really, really tiny. But that's my breath. Don't inhale.
Is it like lemon?
Yeah, it's like orangey. Oops, I don't know if that's supposed to shake. Here, you try it first. It's really sour, but I don't know if that's gonna be sour.
I hope not. Tastes like Sunny D. I think. What does Sunny D taste like? I haven't had it in a long time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
This is good.
It is good.
My squid breath all up in there. And next up we have these OKG tempura style. I'm assuming they're shrimp flavor. There is no flavor, it just says tempura style flavored snack. And I don't even think these are Filipino, but they were at the Filipino store.
They smell?
No, not really.
They're like they smell like
The shrimp chip.
you know, like the ones the Mexican guy has like those.
Oh yeah! Those little wheels.
Yeah. They're sweet. They're good. I like those.
We can fucks with this. I'm trying to be hip because she's so much younger than me. And I feel like fucking old as shit. These are called Lala. And they're fish flavored crackers. Oh, not too bad. I'll wait for you. I'm fat. Sorry. Okay. I like these.
They're not like fishy.
They smell stink, but they're good.
Yeah. They'll probably be stink breath though.
Kind of tastes like shrimp top ramen.
Yeah.
All right, Lala, I see you. Another squid flavored thing. These are seaweed, I'm assuming. These also, I don't think are Filipino, but they were at the Filipino store. They look more like Japanese, but hey. I guess it's open. Oh, it's just seaweed.
Oh, they're really hard. It's like paper.
Yeah.
It smells like plastic.
Oh yeah, it doesn't smell like squid, but. I like seaweed. You don't like?
I like it. It's like weird.
I like this. Oh, eat that. Oh, bad. These are polvoron. These are like the staple candy in the Philippines. Like literally, if you go to the Philippines, your aunties and your freaking grandparents always bring this shit back. Like always. But the reason why I got this one is because it's cookies and cream. Who even knows if it's really cookie? It's not. Probably not. Oh. It's like really powdery. If you guys have never had this, it's like powdery and kind of like. I taste no cookie in that. Oh, it's okay. It's the end part. You taste the chocolate at the end.
It takes a while.
Oh, I kind of like that. It's kind of like hot chocolate. That's what it tastes like.
Like if you like to eat hot chocolate chocolate.
Yeah. Because she
You'll
likes
like
to
this.
eat chocolate packets, apparently. No, or like hot cocoa on top of your coffee. Right?
I've never.
Never mind. We ain't seeing eye to eye right now. Back to salty. Lobster. Labster. That's how the Filipinos would say it. Labster. Lobster
That's the name
flavor.
of the
Yeah. Lobster. So let's try this. I can't open these bags, you guys. I'm like challenged. Bravo. Yeah.
They look the same.
So these are lobster flavored chip crisp things.
They're not bad. They're good.
They're hot and spicy. These
Yeah,
are actually
very
good. They're good. I like it. Let's try another drink. Have you had a Milo?
What is that?
It's chocolate drink. I have, but a long time ago. It's a chocolate flavored nutritional energy drink, but it's like chocolate milk.
No.
And she likes to eat hot chocolate packets. I'm gonna give her some chocolate.
Ew, what is that?
Why?
Shake it. What?
Why don't I just drink it? It's probably the fat.
Oh.
You know, like
try
the
it
center.
first.
Maybe it's the nutritional energy. There's a little like floaty white. There's a few little
It's like
floaty white things.
Old milk. Is it good?
It's not expired. It's like fat. Or like cream or something. I like it.
Is it good though?
Yeah. It tastes like Slim Fast. Right?
I've never had that. I've never drank that. That's weird. It has no. The little things have no flavor. It's like
It's like fat. I'm assuming it's like the fat content in the milk that's
I
cold. So it's
what
just
it is.
rising. I hope.
It's weird.
Okay. More chocolate. These I've never tried. They're chocolate curly tops. Cute. Okay. It looks hard.
Yeah. Looks like real chocolate.
Oh, it looks like a Rolo.
Oh. Oh. They're weird.
So I'm
That's
starting
really
to
weird
realize that
chocolate.
Filipino chocolate is not good chocolate.
Why is
But
it
they
sour?
Huh? What do you mean sour?
It's like sour.
Yeah, I
I
don't.
don't like that one.
I'm a fan of chocolate. I'm a huge chocolate freak, and Filipino chocolate is not the business. So
I
on
like
to
chocolate
the
from
next.
like other
On
places.
to
It's
the
just
next.
weird.
Okay, next thing is these shrimp chips that I've had before. I don't know if I've had the sour cream and onion flavor though, so that's why I decided to go with these. But I like the original flavor. Oh, they have little green pieces of like green onion on it.
Doesn't smell like anything.
I ate the whole bag yesterday of the original flavor.
I like them. Oh.
Yeah.
It's like dry.
Hold on. The hell are we eating?
Dried mango. What is that? Mango rind. What is that?
Mango
Oh.
rind, like tamarind. She said
But what-
mango rind. It's mango rind.
Oh, it's like mango and tamarind.
It's supposed to be like dried mango in the middle and then like tamarind on the outside. I've never had that before, so
That sounds weird.
it sounds good to me. It sounds like Mexican candy,
Yeah.
but probably not spicy chili.
Mexican
Oh, I thought it was gonna be round. This is not round. This is like. Oh, you got crumbs all up on your shirt.
Oh, can't even see that.
I wasn't trying to look at her boobs. Well, yeah, I kind of, you know. And they're not round like I thought they were gonna be. They're rectangle.
You're just gonna bite it?
Yeah.
I wonder. They're good.
Just gonna eat the whole thing. Ooh, it's so juicy. No, like my mouth is juicy. These aren't juicy.
It's like
the Filipino Starburst. No, it's so good. These are really good.
Those are my favorite so far.
Those are all in my braces. Okay. Next thing is these chocolate coated polvorone sticks. So it was like the polvorone candy we had, but these are ube covered in chocolate. I still got that other stuff stuck in my braces.
It smells like coconut.
Probably because ube tastes kind of like coconut.
Oh yeah.
So ube is purple yam, and it's like a staple of the Philippines. If you guys keep wondering what that ube is, it's purple too. It's like a really purple yam. Oh.
It's powder.
Oh my god. The outside's good. I was not, I mean, I guess it says polvorone, but fuck, I wasn't expecting that. I'm drooling. I like it though. It's just
like
a surprise.
Yeah, it's really unexpected.
It's like an unexpected surprise. No one knew it was just gonna pop in your mouth. Good though. I like it.
Me too, but there you go, because I'm getting it all over my shirt.
I washed down that powder with some Del Monte 4 Seasons drink. I have no idea what flavor this is. It just says, oh, pineapple, mango, and guava and orange. 4 Seasons.
It's like tropical.
Okay, first. She makes the weirdest noises. It looks good. Does it taste good? No?
It tastes like a fruit cup.
Really?
Like the mixed fruit cup that they used to give you in elementary school.
For her, that was like last year. I'm just kidding. Hey.
All I taste is guava. I don't like guava.
I love guava. Last thing, cocoa mango balls. I don't know what the hell these are. It says Philippines brand though, so let's try this out. Oh my god, I opened the top one. Sorry. They're in these little wrappers.
Like dog shit.
Is tamarind too?
Smells like it. Ooh, there's no. What is that?
What the fuck kind of coconut is that? Oh, I don't like that. Oh god. Do you know what it has that like weird taste to it? You don't taste it? Oh,
I taste it now.
yee. Okay, this by far is my least favorite.
It's weird.
There's milk in it.
That's why.
No, I don't like that. So there you have it. That was our Filipino snacks. And I think her favorite was this one, hands down. And I think my favorite was Lala. Fish fucking flavored crackers. But yes, so thank you for watching. And I'll see you soon.
Bye.